Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add picture in your PowerPoint presentation. Kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's get started. Open your PowerPoint presentation, go to the slide in which you want to add your picture, then go to the Insert tab. As you click on the Insert tab, this window will be open. Go to the Image section and choose Picture. You can add your picture from your device, and also you can choose your picture from stock images, and you can also take your picture online from the internet. In this case, I am going to choose my picture from my device. Then click on this device and choose the picture which you want to add in your presentation. Then choose Insert. As you choose the insert, the picture will be added into your presentation. Adjust your picture on the slide, and if you want to edit your picture, then click the picture format will be open. Then you can remove the background of your picture, and you can also crop your picture. You can change the style of your picture, the style which you want. Then click